welcome back to my channel. It is Gigi here, back with another video for you guys. So real quick, I did go to Sephora and I wanted to kind of show you guys what I got. So initially I went in there to get like a full coverage foundation, like something that'll go with my skin. If you guys don't know, I do have really sensitive skin. They have this new device where they take a picture of your skin and then the iPad kind of color matches it for you. So she recommended the Fenty Beauty foundation and it's buildable. So I got this one. I liked it a lot because it's sweat proof and I do sweat a lot in the summer, so that's something that's like a big plus for me. And I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll do a tutorial after this. Next thing I got was a moisturizer. This is Ole Henriksen moisturizer. So it looks like this. It's a glass bottle. I believe it's glass. No, maybe plastic. While they were applying my foundation, I asked what brush she was using because I fucking loved how it looked. And I got the Kat Von D brush. Kat Von D Locket Edge brush. So that's what it looks like. So this is kind of what it looks like. As you could see, some of the edges here are short, like this side's short, and it's kind of good for like getting in between your nose or those rough areas. So I really like this brush a lot. So I got the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered. So this is what the palette looks like. It's super cute. That's what it looks like. And then you open it and there's another picture of her up in here. This girl must be hella conceited. I'm just saying, girl. Like, your face in, I mean, I don't know. I've never tried her products. I did do a lot of review on the foundation and like a bunch of shit that she sells for the face. And there wasn't really good reviews about it. But there's really good reviews about her palettes. Her eyeshadows are really good, I guess. But I did use it yesterday. I did my sister's makeup yesterday. Those are the colors that are in here. This, I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Kilowatt Foil. It's a highlighter palette. So this is the packaging. I mean, it is what it is. Anyways, what I like about these highlighters is not only are they super pigmented. Look at this. Look at this. This is so cute. You can't really see. I have to touch my screen. Super pigmented. It was this one, guys. The other one's the Huda Beauty. The thing I got and I was fucking due for was the eyebrow brush. I'm not sure how much it was. Honestly, I just kind of grab stuff. I don't really look at the price and I'm horrible for that, but I just grab shit and don't really pay attention to the price. That's just me. But another thing I got was the Sephora eyebrow brush. Super thin like my MAC one, which is something that I really liked about it. So super excited to use it. And then it has the mascara looking brush. I don't know what it's called. I don't know. It's called Pro Brow Sorcel's Precision 20. So it's number 20, guys. Whatever that means. And next I'll be doing my tutorial. So first things first, you want to apply the moisturizer, guys. This is going to be my first time using it all over my face. Yesterday I just used it on my chin because we were trying sections out. So I'm going to just sweep off whatever was on here. Like that it has vitamin C because vitamin C is good for you if you didn't know. And it smells really, it smells like naranjas. I don't know.
I smell it. So
it smells like, you know those orange popsicles, the orange ice cream, the one with the vanilla filling? That's what it smells like. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I also got some lashes. I went to this store, to the Chinito store. Not Chinito store, but I went to the like I went to the little stores inside the mall. It's like a plus size store. It's called Gents Plus. And I bought a bunch of lashes. So this is my first time trying them out. They're Stardell lash. So I got a bunch of them. So as you guys know, I use Cover FX, Water Cloud Primer, Pollution and Blue Light Defense. Okay, so I'm applying that all over my skin. I'm not gonna put the pore minimizer on. I kind of want to see how this works first. Most of this will be fast forwarded. You guys know what I use already. See a mess in the background, it's because it's Sunday and I'm doing laundry and I just threw all my clean laundry on top of my bed. Don't judge me. So I guess it's okay. It's a little bit rough, but I'm pretty sure I gotta break it in. Applied my primer. You guys know I use the Urban Decay one. I'm trying to figure out what look I want to do today. I'm gonna go in with Risque, and it's this one right here. Okay, I guess I need to use more product. This is my first time using it on myself. I used it on my sister yesterday, and it came out really nice. I must say, I did a damn good job. I really like how this moisturizer is feeling, guys. Like, it feels good. I don't know how to explain it, but my skin feels tight. Man Eater, which is that one right there. I'm gonna hit the corner with Man Eater. This is Eco Tools, guys. I got this at Target. You can find it at Walmart. When you guys see me use these are Eco Tool. If you see me use these that look like this with the rose gold, those are from Lux. You get those on Amazon. And I don't have any bad reviews about those brushes, guys. They were good. I've been using a lot of different brushes throughout my years, and it works good. Don't knock it till you try it. Cocoa. I'm gonna go in with Cocoa in the corner, which is that one right there. So I'm gonna take my concealer brush, guys, and I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm gonna hit the crease with it. Not the crease, my eyelid with it, my bad. So you put it on your lid and you just blink and see. It'll show you where to cut it at. Like for people with like hooded eyes like me, I always raise my eyebrows. I don't know, it's a habit I have because my eyes are really hooded. You see? So what you do is you tap the concealer here, and then you just, and then after it'll kind of you see how I made the line to show where. I'm gonna use that one, Pink Diamond. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with Cocoa now and hit the corners with it again and hit the eyelid with it again too. So you see, we're gonna just hit this corner again with Cocoa, just blend this glitter out a bit. Okay, so I'm just cleaning up the edges with the concealer to give it that nice cut look, sharp edge look. You guys see how smooth this looks? Like, I fucking love this brush, you guys. I say that about all my brushes, but that's because I'm gonna give you guys honest reviews. Like the eyebrow brush, it worked good. It's just really rough, and then I noticed like little black powder pieces, like little bolitas del eyeshadow were coming off. So I'm gonna try to break it in, and maybe with time it'll get better. But I mean, I have no complaints. It did well, did what it's supposed to do. But this, you guys, I love. I highly recommend this brush, you guys. If you don't have a foundation brush and you're curious about using one, this works really good. So I'm gonna grab this brush. I was using this one, but it's really hard to like get in there because it's kind of big. So I'm gonna use this one from Lux on my neck. did my mascara. You guys know I used this Smashbox Superfan mascara. This is what the lashes are looking like. I'm gonna just use the mirror on here. How embarrassing, you guys. My mirror's so dirty. Disregard. I think I'm gonna use this one. I mean, it is what it is at this point. Alright guys, so this is the completed look, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Forget the setting spray. And yeah, we done, girl. This is the finished look. Remember I told you guys it was already creasing. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Hit the notification bell. That way every time I post a new video you get notified. And just share my channel with people you know, people that may know me. Just share it. But thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Peace out.